whatever this is, the people that are your market for the cars that you build, I mean, I might be going out on a limb here, but probably not this. So if you like cars at all, you've probably already seen the news about Jaguar. They're changing their branding, but as a designer, I'm just trying to make sense of whatever that is. I just kind of look at this through the lens of design and try my best to be objective about this, because Jaguar is a brand that I love. I love their cars. So let's explore the new era of Jaguar. So this overall is it's just kind of rough, man. The new era, I mean, I have the same critique that I've heard from other people. Where are the cars? Let's watch this video that's on their website. Is this the infamous ad? Create exuberant. That makes no sense. Live vivid. Delete ordinary. Okay. Break molds. What are we looking at? Copy nothing except for really bad clothing brand advertisements. I really don't get it. The new font is just kind of, it looks like a weird off-brand alcohol or a clothing store. Copy nothing. We're here to delete ordinary, to go bold, to copy nothing. December 2nd. So stay inspired. This is just the beginning. Launch dates, events, creative collaborations to your inbox. So they're trying to create some level of excitement around where they're going. So Car and Driver also uncovered newly updated trademark filing for an I-Type model by Jaguar. Jaguar previously released a model named the I-Type 6, which competed in the 2023 ABB Formula E World Championship. Jaguar's first electric model was similarly named the I-Pace. Yeah, we all know the I-Pace. So an I-Type model name for their newest EV makes sense. Yeah, sure. Okay, UK won't see Jags till 2026. So as far as the branding goes, this is another article that I found from Business Insider. Jaguar debuts its new branding in a video, and it's missing one thing: the cars. It's getting roasted by some online, and for me, rightfully so. Again, trying to stay objective here, but this just, it feels really, really wrong. And when you compare the old branding with whatever this new thing is, like, this felt luxurious. This branding felt like there was a level of authority behind it. This feels like some college level intern designer was like, yeah, we should redesign everything. And then they pulled a Google font. This kind of thing is kind of cool. So this is an update of the leaping Jaguar logo. I'm not sure how I feel about it being on the bars. It just kind of, I don't know. Again, it makes me feel like a clothing brand or like Puma shoes. Like, this looks like a shoebox. Jerry McGovern said in a statement that the company's new vision was inspired by its founder's belief that a Jaguar should be a copy of nothing. Notably, for a car company, there are no cars in the ad. Even Elon Musk got in on this, said, do you sell cars? I think that's funny. So this chief creative officer, Jerry McGovern. So this guy, Jerry McGovern. Gerard Gabriel McGovern is a British car designer and chief creative officer for Jaguar Land Rover, leading the group's design studio at Gaydon, Warwickshire, creating concepts and new models, a strong advocate of design's relevance to brand equity. He is a member of the Jaguar Land Rover Board of Management. So this guy has been around a while. And here's the crazy part. Jaguar obviously has some concepts in the works. And so the Jaguar I-Type looks like kind of it almost looks like a Cadillac Lyriq. Of course, this is all camoed out and muled up, and so there's body panels that are not representative of what the car will actually be. But you know, this article itself is a clue that Jaguar is developing some things that we could get excited about. So it's confusing as to why this was the play that they went with. It's very confusing. And I think that's the point as a designer that I've come to in trying to understand this. I don't know who you're marketing to. If it's car enthusiasts, people that used to love your brand, people that are excited for maybe the future of where you're going, maybe not. I mean, they've said they're going EV. Maybe people are not excited about that. So maybe they're trying to reach into that, you know, that demographic of people that they think will actually buy EVs. But it's just like such a drastic departure. It's just weird, man. This is super, super weird. As someone that loves car design, and you can watch other videos on the channel, I love the expression of artistry that you can have with design in cars by themselves. It's interesting when you try to overlay some sort of like hyper niched cultural reference on top of that. You're undoubtedly gonna lose a lot of your audience. Now, when they start to bring out the concepts and the cars, will they probably get a lot of us back? And, you know, could their car designs be really forward thinking, really cool? Yeah, probably. I hope so. I really love Jaguar as a brand and their cars from the past. One of my favorite cars from them is the XJ220 from the 90s. Like, that is a quintessential legendary supercar that Jaguar developed and made. And so they've got a rich heritage in the automotive industry. This current strategy is just kind of strange. So I really hope that they make a departure from this quickly, kind of move on to the actual substance, the cars. I'm knowing that nobody from Jaguar is ever going to see this video. And, you know, the 25 of you that actually see this video, I don't know if you have any opinions, but look, car design is one of those things that I think it's cool to push it as an industry. I think it's cool to think outside of the box. Just, you got to know who you're talking to, and this ain't it. Those are my thoughts. Subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. You know how YouTube works. Thanks for being here, guys. God bless. We'll talk to you soon.